Before buying a mini sewing machine, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Craftbud Mini Sewing Machine. First up, we have the Craftbud Mini Sewing Machine. Priced at $44.99, this little guy caught my eye with its vibrant blue color and comprehensive 122-piece sewing kit. If you want a complete starter package that caters to both kids and adults, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product really solves your problem. The Craftbud Mini Sewing Machine is designed with beginners in mind, featuring a compact size that's perfect for little hands or first-time sewers. It comes with a whopping 50 pieces of fabric, 16 bobbins, and all the tools you need to start sewing right away. The illustrated book included is a lifesaver, providing step-by-step projects that help demystify the sewing process. With a solid 4-star rating from 1,000 reviews, this machine has proven to be a favorite for those just starting out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You're not just buying a machine, you're investing in a complete learning experience. Now, some people complained about the machine being a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, it's designed for beginners, and while it might not handle heavy-duty fabrics, it's perfect for learning the basics, making it a great fit for kids or casual hobbyists. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into sewing or if you want to introduce someone young to the craft. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty machine that can tackle thick fabrics. For the price, it offers a lot of value with all the included accessories. Now, if the Craftbud's sturdiness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, KPCB Tech Mini Sewing Machine. Next, let's talk about the KPCB Tech Mini Sewing Machine, priced at $40.36. What caught my attention was its impressive set of accessories that come with it. If you need a reliable tool to kickstart your sewing journey, keep listening. The KPCB Tech Machine comes with a finger guard, which is a huge relief for beginners worried about accidents. It operates at 2 speeds, giving you control as you learn. Plus, the included 20 pieces of fabric are perfect for practice and experimentation. The machine is compact, making it easy to store, and yet it manages to pack in a lot of features like a built-in light and a thread cutter. With 6,800 reviews and a solid rating, it's clear this machine has helped many beginners dive into sewing. However, some users noted that the foot pedal can be a bit sensitive, which can be frustrating when you're not used to it. But here's my perspective. Once you get the hang of it, that sensitivity can actually help you master your sewing techniques faster. This is great for you if you want a safe, beginner-friendly machine with all the essentials included. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional machine without the added beginner features. For what you're paying, it's a steal with tons of extras. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more modern feel. Product number 3, JUCVNB Mini Portable Sewing Machine. Now let's check out the JUCVNB Mini Portable Sewing Machine, which retails for $47.97. This one really stood out because it offers 12 built-in stitch patterns, which is pretty cool for a beginner. If you want to explore creativity right from the start, listen closely. The dual power supply, either with a foot pedal or a button, means you can choose what feels right for you. Plus, the quick start guide and QR code for a tutorial video make it super user-friendly. With a 3.8-star rating from 1,400 users, it seems to have a solid following. Here's why this matters for you. Versatility in stitch patterns allows you to experiment and learn more about sewing techniques as you grow. However, a few users mentioned that the threading can be tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get through the initial learning curve, threading becomes second nature, and it's worth the effort for the creative possibilities. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun, lightweight machine that offers room to grow. Skip this one if you simply want something that's purely straightforward without the bells and whistles. It's a good value for the features you're getting. Alright, if the extra features of the JUCVNB machine seem overwhelming, the next one might be exactly what you need. Product number 4, Sewing Machine for Beginners by KPCB Tech. Next up is another option from KPCB Tech, this time their full set of mini electric sewing machines priced at $40.36. What struck me about this set is its extensive collection of fabric bundles included in the package. If you want a solid all-in-one starter kit, this could be your pick. This machine is designed with safety in mind, featuring a finger guard and adjustable stitching speeds, which helps you learn at your own pace. It comes complete with 42 accessories including needles, a thimble, and a thread cutter, making it an excellent value for beginners. With a 4-star rating and 6,800 reviews, it's clear that many have found this machine valuable for their sewing projects. Here's why this matters. The variety of included fabrics means you can start practicing right away without needing to purchase extra materials. That said, some users found the machine can struggle with thicker fabrics. But honestly, if you're just starting, that's not a deal breaker since you'll mostly be working with lighter materials anyway. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-inclusive starter kit that's easy to use. Skip this one if you plan to work with heavier fabrics right off the bat. It's best suited for lighter projects. For the price, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if you like the KPCB Tech's extensive accessories but want something more portable, the next machine is a great follow-up. Product number 5, CraftBud Mini Sewing Machine Set. Finally, we have the CraftBud Mini Sewing Machine Set, retailing at $51.59. This one caught my eye because it offers a dual-speed option and an extension table. If you're looking for a bit more functionality in a beginner sewing machine, stick around. The CraftBud Mini Set includes everything you need to get started: 50 fabric pieces, 16 bobbins, and a user-friendly guide. The built-in light is a nice touch, making it easier to see what you're working on. The dual-speed functionality adds flexibility as you advance your skills, and the extension table provides extra workspace for your projects. With a 4-star rating from 1,000 reviews, it's highly regarded by many novice sewists. Here's why this matters. Having more space and speed control can really enhance your sewing experience as you progress. However, some users mention the machine can be a bit loud. But here's the thing, if you're focused on learning and creating, a little noise is a small price to pay for a machine that offers so much. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich machine that grows with you. Skip this one if you're sensitive to noise or prefer a quieter sewing experience. For the price, it offers excellent value packed with features. So there you have it. If you're considering a mini sewing machine, all 5 of these options cater to different needs and preferences, from basic to feature-rich. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the CraftBud Mini Sewing Machine, KPCB Tech's beginner-friendly option, the versatile JUCVNB, another KPCB Tech model with tons of accessories, and finally, the feature-packed CraftBud Mini Set. Each has its strengths, so consider what features matter most to you as you embark on your sewing journey.